Happy?
You can go, Claire.
Okay, tell your story.
Mommy, when my daddy put peaches in the treat store, I ate all of them, and then my dad said, who took all the peaches? And I said, me, ho ho, and my daddy said, oh, fingers, boy. And then one day my mommy put some fruit and some cheese in the garage door, and I went in there when my mommy and daddy were sleeping, and then I ate all of them, and then my mommy said, who did it? And said, me, ho ho. Then my mommy said, ah, fingers, boy. And then my mommy said, he put a mommy in the jar, and I ate it, and my mom said, who took all the mommy? Then I said, me, ho ho. Ah, fingers, boy.